Severe thunderstorm warning for Bronx County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Haverstraw to Hackensack to Colonia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near New York,